I think I'm going to pull a successful all-nighter. The worst has happened. She was there to help people. And this is what she gets.
It actually gets worse.
I think I'm going to pull a successful all-nighter today. Yeah. So anyways, abhi main, I was watching this podcast.
Hang around here and look at a theatre workshop. Give 100.
Kangana Ranaut ka podcast, and while doing that I was preparing राखीज. Don't worry, ये सारी राखी मेरी नहीं है, इतने भाई नहीं है मेरे. No महाभारत over here. मुझे काम क्या मिला है? To take these staples out.
So then, after the class was over, they made us do some breathing exercises and all of that and all that. So he asked me, which group are you from? So he's like, okay. Kirti, you're very good. So this one thing that he said, you're very good. It just changed my life. Yeah. I said, I am good because I've not heard it for so long. I said that उसने एक फिल्म बनाई है, हिट फिल्म बनाया है, Murder. For years. अभी मुझे वहाँ पे सिर्फ 3-4 महीने हुए थे. Make the ends meet. So you'll have this kind of.
It's 12:41. Before I do any other things, I just want to come out here and discuss what's been happening over the past 1 week, what we've been seeing all over our social media, the Kolkata rape and murder case. Like, after seeing so much on the internet, I just find that there are so many layers to this. But at the bottom of it all, at the end of the day, it's just a collective inhumane act against a woman who was just doing her duty. She was there to help people overnight. And this is what she gets. Like, how do you counter something like that? And this unfortunate incident has once again forced people's eyes on the fact that women are not safe in India. It has gotten me thinking so much about जो basic चीजें हम दिन में कर पाते हैं on a regular basis, या फिर जो हमें करनी पड़ती है, कितनी चीजें हम subconsciously करने लगे हैं. अब मेरे घर से फोन आ जाते हैं अगर मैं कैब की डिटेल शेयर ना करूं. मैं कैब में सो नहीं सकती मुंह खोल के. 99% of the times I have Google Maps open just for safety, कि सही रास्ता है या नहीं है. We carry pepper spray. If I'm traveling in a metro, विमेन्स कोच में अगर जगह नहीं है, आई विल नॉट गेट ऑन दैट मेट्रो. विमेन्स कोच में भी अगर कोई एक इंसान बॉर्डर से भी इधर भी थोड़ा आ रखा है ना, आई फील द अर्ज, आई फील द नीड टू टेल देम टू स्टेप बैक इनटू देयर ओन कोच. लाइक दैट इज द बेसिक एंजाइटी दैट इज ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टिंग विद इन all women. Abhi, even if I'm anxious about this case or I want to say something, मेरे मुंह से ही when I'm speaking to a girl or I want to put a message out for women, मेरे मुंह से ये निकलता है stay safe. मेरा first thought आता है stay safe. But सब कुछ हमारे लिए इतना unsafe in the first place क्यों है? That is the real question. Men and women should know एक basic level of how to maintain your personal safety. उसके ऊपर जाके 3-4 लेवल होते हैं for a woman to feel safe. This is only because there are no strict laws. This is because whenever something happens to a woman in this country, it is always partially her fault. It is because there is not enough education about basic courtesy mannerisms that can actually help shape the ideologies that brew in the heads of these monsters. And in times like these, especially in this case, like doctors, people who save lives are unsafe in their own profession, not only because of rape and murder, but because of violence that happens around them. Like, I think like many of us, I got so consumed by this news that I actually got scared for the doctors in my family. Like, I don't know, I feel a bit helpless because I don't know what to do, except raise my voice or like spread awareness about this right now. But if there's a better way or something or anything I can do, a petition link that some of you might have, even that will work. Just send it to me. I'll put it in the description. And again, I feel the urge to say stay safe, but I don't know what to say, and I don't know how to move on from this topic to a lighter topic. Okay. sleeping. जब तुम ऐसे अकेले होते हो तो कितना शांत लगता है, बट देन अगेन इफ़ यू आर डूइंग अ नाइट स्टे या फिर कुछ हैपनिंग हो रहा है तो यही सेम टाइम कितना हैपनिंग लगता है, कितना नॉर्मल लगता है ना कि इस टाइम पे तो सब जागे होंगे, बट देन ऑन नॉर्मल लाइक यूजुअल डेज जब दिस डजंट मेक सेंस. आई हैव टू राइट अ स्क्रिप्ट, रीराइट. पहले लेट मी गिव यू एन ओवरव्यू ऑफ माई वीक. आई थिंक मंडे को या ट्यूसडे को I went to see It Ends With Us with Mama.
Yeah, it actually gets worse. Yeah.
No way.
Yeah,
Not
no,
possible.
it does. I
It really will?
don't want to talk about it because it's.
To be very honest, मैंने book बहुत पहले पढ़ी थी. So it was like a movie for me, which I knew stuff about. Honestly, I know we pictured Atlas to be like so, you know, a typical perfect guy like we imagine. But in the film, जो एटलस की कास्टिंग थी, दैट गाय पुट सो मच लाइक वार्मथ एंड पर्सनैलिटी इनटू द कैरेक्टर विच वॉज नीडेड, विच वॉज द मेन थिंग, यू नो, जो एटलस को एटलस बनाती है. आई डोंट गेट द हेट. आई लव्ड रायल, लाइक नॉट द कैरेक्टर but like the casting and Justin Baldoni, of course he was so good. Then Wednesday ko I went to have rajma chawal.
एक बार मेरी बात मान, चटनी के साथ खा के देखो.
They have claimed that their rajma chawal is best in the whole wide world. है?
क्यों?
दिल्ली हाट के बेटर. वो जो थे ना. Then on Independence Day I never have any plans, but then इस बार like all my family और जो friends हैं we went outside. पूरा रेन में चिपचिप हो रहा था. It was a bad space, man.
You're in a bad space, man.
I did end up eating pasta and stuff.
Ice peach tea.
Peach tea here, there.
Hot Americano.
Hot Americano, there. The one who's pouring. Then the sauce.
Elegant.
White sauce.
But I controlled myself from having this. Just look at it. Thank you. And कल I also watched Stree 2 with my friends.
की कुर्सी पर है कि कब आप कुर्सी से उठे. संपूर्ण एक बार छोड़ दी तो कहीं
ये देश एक खुली जेल बन जाएगा. पूरी कैबिनेट की सहमति की आवश्यक होती है इंदिरा जी.
कल आना, कल.
आपको पहले
मेरा तो बहुत गंदा रहा. क्यों क्योंकि मैं बीच में बैठी हूँ, यहाँ से ये मेरे को मार रही है, उसके बाद ये बीच में मेरे बाल नोच रहे हैं. इसको मेरे बाल उसके बाल लग रहे थे. मेरे बाल नोच दिए. मैं नहीं डर पा रही बिल्कुल. मेरे हॉरर मूवी नहीं है, मेरे टॉर्चर मूवी है. मैं वॉशरूम से आई तो मेरी सीट जा चुकी थी.
सब तुम्हारी वजह से हुआ है.
भाई कुछ
जी सब पहले क्यों नहीं बताया आपने हमें?
पता नहीं never experienced it. Good movie.
And you know what? I also met a subscriber there. She kept saying sorry for interrupting or disturbing, but do you have any idea how happy it makes me when any of you recognize me? Do you know? But about the movie, मतलब it's so tough जब तुम्हारी when the first part is so iconic and उसके बाद you come and you just top it. I can't say top it. It's funny, it's scary. सारे class actors हैं. I think I should get to writing the script. The script is done. You know, I've been watching like purani, not purani, but just re-watching a lot of movies. या फिर पुरानी कुछ ऐसी movies जो people just assume कि सबने देखी हुई है, but वो मैंने नहीं देखी होती. Like I watched Ladies vs Ricky Bell, like sweet time pass movie. I rewatched La La Land today. I hope you understand why I don't want to talk about it. What the hell? So this pimple भाई इसने तो मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया इसका. At this point you also know कि जब मैं कोई मूवी देखती हूँ तो फिर मैं उसके सॉन्ग सुनती रहती हूँ like एक हफ्ते तक. That is a minimum. ठीक है, एक हफ्ता is like starter pack, ₹99. So of course मेरे नाक में क्लेदर. Anyways, so obviously I watched It Ends With Us. And why did I not know about the existence of the song My Tears Ricochet? Like, why was I doing that to myself? Because if I'm happy, I'm sad, I'm anxious, I just play that song and it weirdly calms me. Recommend some movies to like watch or re-watch. इतना सिंपल क्यों नहीं कर पा रही? लास्ट चांस. It's 2:13. पहले तो जैसे मेरे पास पढ़ाई थी, basically whatever exams आ रहे हैं something, so I need to like pull an all-nighter and really make some difference. And तब भी मैं नहीं कर पाई थी. अभी तो मेरे पास कुछ है नहीं करने को. मतलब ये मैंने क्यों करा अपने साथ, मेरे को ना सेंस समझ नहीं आ रहा. मैं एक काम करती हूँ, मैं सो जाती हूँ. आई एम गोइंग टू पुल अ सक्सेसफुल ऑल नाइटर. उससे पहले आई वांट टू इंट्रोड्यूस यू टू मेरा न्यू obsession. Number 1, I added a charm to my lip gloss. So original. First idea. Did not see it over the internet. This one is from Summer Fridays. New obsession. But not only this, it's the Gissu lip oil. मेरे को नींद आ रही है इसलिए मैं hyper हूँ. खोलते ही garden strawberry का garden. Yummy. Best thing in my collection अभी तक का. And if you're wondering how I got this, because ये international products ऐसे इंडिया में मिलते नहीं है अभी तक तो. So I got this from this Instagram store called Ethereal Beauty Products, Instagram पे. So yeah, in case you also want like these international makeup brands के products, you can shop from them. I also have a code MS10. No money for this, just helping my friends out. Lip gloss पे बाल चिपक गए. The worst has happened. Kim Kardashian flew her private jet to have food from her favorite restaurant and then returned back. On that note.